Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video we will discuss Bitcoin price and XRP, and we will analyze the market. So what's happening right now? As you can see the chart, the Bitcoin is gradually going up, like as you can see in these lines showing the trend is going as a bullish. Okay, so in a couple of days maybe it will hit $40,000 price. uh, it's actually the 4 hours chart, and from last 10 to 15 days you can see it's going up and up. Okay, this is the current price 37,700 now. As compared to Bitcoin, if we see the XRP is going down day by day. So from in the last 1 week, as you can see, the trend is like this. Okay, but what happening right now, I will tell you. If we click here, there is some news about the XRP. So it's a temporary breakdown. Okay, and in few days maybe it will go like this. Okay, like this, the trend will be going up. This is a temporary slowdown. Okay, so the indicator showing the strong buy, you can buy from here. It will go up in a few days. Okay, so the current price is $0.62. It will reach almost $1. Okay, almost $1 in the coming month. So this was today's crypto update. See you in the next video. Bye.